birthing. It's powerful, it's natural, it's like a miracle come true. Labor, delivery, ये सारे वर्ड्स आप लोगों को जितना क्यूरियस करते हैं उतना ही फेयरफुल भी करते हैं. बट मैं डॉक्टर नितिका सोपती इन वर्च्यू बेबी always and always want to tell you that this is the most beautiful divine miracle moment of your life, because ये आपके बेबी की beginning of life है and your life as a new parent also begins now. You should be actually so undisturbed, so fear free during this day, क्योंकि every birth is so unique. And आपको पता है the way, the place, your pelvis जहाँ से वो बेबी आएगा, that is the lock and your baby is the key. एक बार फिट करिए कि कितना परफेक्टली आपकी बॉडी अट्यून्ड है आपके बेबी को इस दुनिया में लाने के लिए. ये सब सुनेंगे, सोचेंगे, which position is the best, what are the comfort measures available. You have to do breathing exercises or you have to breathe your baby out. ये छोटी छोटे words, synonyms आपके लिए ऐसे माइंड में चलने चाहिए, affirmations इतनी क्लियर होनी चाहिए और knowledgefully. So that is what is the aim of practicing these comfort techniques by the name of Lamaze and Hypnobirthing. ये words नहीं हैं, they actually make you powerful. They actually make you so connected to your body and to your baby. क्या खा सकते हैं हम? What is the role of diet and nutrition? When the baby is born, how are you going to meet your baby? Greet your baby? What are the breastfeeding positions? What you need to do to bond with your baby immediately after birth? वो golden hour, वो sacred hour, वो sacred nectar जो आपने उसको पिलाना है, आपकी postpartum recovery. How are you going to actually handle those postpartum blues if you have any? ये सब चीज़ों के बारे में मेघा, who's an expert in this field, is going to come and teach you under those 5 modules. This is very very important that you know knowledgefully कि क्या हो रहा है और आपको कब से ये करनी है Lamaze classes. 28 weeks, the last trimester, because your body and mind and soul need to be prepared to bring and breathe your baby out, as I said. ये बहुत बहुत important है, and do attend it with your partner because he is going to be there to support you, help you, make sure that both of you are together in this miracle moment. So please join on 29th of May, 2 hours workshop, 10 to 12 on Sunday, and register in the link given below and experience the magic and divinity of bringing a beautiful, healthy, happy virtue baby.